31, the question says, what is the prime factorization of 30,030? So going through our answer choices, we need the prime factorization, all prime numbers. A, the number 10 is not prime, gone. B, the number 30 is not prime, gone. C, 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are all prime, so they can stay. D, 3, 7, 10, 10 is not prime. E, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these can stay. Now we just need to know which one is 30,030. So I'm going to start with the bigger value, E, and multiply 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 11 times 13. It is 30,030, so the answer is E. Use the following information to answer questions 32 through 34. Okay, so I'm just going to come down here and go straight to the question. I'm not going to read the individual information yet unless I need to. So I can see that we have a shape. It is in the shape of a trapezoid. Okay. What is the area in square inches of the scale drawing of the park? And I can see that the picture is in inches. So the park is a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times your height times base 1 plus base 2, because it is a triangle with the top part cut off. That means that it has 2 bases instead of just 1. So the height is 16. Your first base is 40 inches, plus your second base is 28 inches. So in the calculator, 16 times 40 plus 28 is 68. And then, I put 116. 16 plus times 68. Then I'm going to divide that by 2 because that's taking half. That is 544 square inches. G. 33. Proposal includes installing a fence. What is the perimeter in feet? In feet of the park. So we have inches here, but we do have that 1 inch does represent 1.5 feet. So with that, we can come on here and find the perimeter, which is all the sides added. So we know it's 28, 16, and 40, but we do not know this side. This can be turned into a right triangle, which we know that this value is 16. Down here, this is going to be 40 inches. Take off the 28, so that's 40 inches minus the 28. It's going to be 12. So now I can do Pythagorean theorem. I have 12 squared plus 16 squared, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Take the square root of 400. We get 20. So now I know that my perimeter in inches is going to be 20 on that side plus 28 on the top plus 16. Insert the 2. And then plus the entire bottom, which was 40. So that's my perimeter in inches. So that is an answer choice. So I know that it's going to be in feet, so that's not going to be the answer in feet. Now, inches, every inch is 1.5 feet. So I'll multiply that 104 times 1.5 feet, and I get 156. And that is being careful to read in the italicized words. Make sure you're paying attention to the units. Units are really important. Okay, the last question on here of this is the length of the south side of the park is what percent of the length of the north side? So the question is the south is what percent of the north? So percentage wise. We have south side is, so here's your south marking, it's on the bottom, so that's 40. So this is 40 inches of the north side, which is the top, is 28 inches. So if we do percentages, so 40% of, or sorry, 40 inches of 28 inches. So we want the percent, so 40 divided by 28, sorry, 40 divided by 28 is 1.428. So if we make that into a percentage, it would be 142.8%. So the only one that has the 142 is the H. So we did percentage. South side is what percent of the north side. So that's the south divided by the north.